Da ist eine Baustelle. Darum kommt man gerade nicht auf den Radweg. So ist Radfahren heute in Berlin.
For us, it was really important to kind of turn around the dystopian vision of the future and try to inspire our audiences to think about utopian futures, to give them ideas about what Berlin could be in the future.
Willkommen in der Zukunft.
Berlin 2037 is a virtual reality installation that helps you travel to the future of Berlin. The vehicle that takes you into the future is a bicycle, and we are focusing on the mobility of the future. As part of the experience, you hop onto a bike in a real physical installation, wear a VR headset, and you pedal to the future of Berlin, and the future is beautiful.
So there's a lot of water in Berlin, which is not being used in any way, but we saw a lot of potential there to really redefine a space and make people think like, could be also maybe a place where the water is clean and people go swimming. It's always a process and a journey, and in many ways it starts with thinking about what impact do we want to have, whom we want to reach, how we're going to reach them, and where. Like, how do we involve citizens, and how do we reflect also the reality of so many different people living in a city. We are not experts in city planning. We're just a bunch of artists, a bunch of creators thinking different options and different ways that we believe might be useful or possible or cool or whatever. What the S+T+ARTS Residency really allowed was to ground a lot of these ideas in reality and check with existing experts in the field to see, does this make sense? How does it make sense? What other projects, aspects, concepts are there that we can borrow on and include in the project?
If you can show people what the future may look like, it's more likely that they will work towards that future. And if they can imagine that future, it's more likely that that becomes a reality. And with virtual reality, that's really possible to build this world and to show the future in a very tangible way.